exercise after warming up properly. Okay? First, warm up your entire body, that is, your body. If you go, we will do a lot of fighting. Come on, go, go, why are you disturbing me? Take it like this, like this. At least 10 times like this, okay? I mean, it should be the right way. When to inhale and exhale. Okay, right? I have kept it ahead. Then come like this, 1, 8 or 10. Okay. Go like this. Come down like this. Then like this. So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fitness with Pradeep Sir. Hey, wait, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Fitness with Pradeep Sir. So today in this video, I am going to tell you how to warm up before doing any exercise and how to do your exercise after warming up properly. Right? There are many people who go to the gym or anywhere else and start doing their exercise without warming up. Right? They start doing any exercise without warming up. Right? They start doing any exercise without warming up. Right? What happens to them because of this? They get an infection somewhere in their body. Right? They get injured, etc. They say, sir, my waist is paining, my shoulder is paining, my back is paining. So let's start the video. No time wasting. No nonsense. Let's get straight to the point. Okay, my friends? So this is going to be a 5-minute exercise. Friends, we'll do 5 exercises. 5 minutes is very easy. Stay tuned from start to finish, and if this is your first visit to the channel, please subscribe. Okay, my friends? So let's start the video. Let's go. So, your first warm-up will be for your entire body. So, what do you do first? Loosen your body completely. Okay? Enjoy your body. How? Your body. First, warm up. Okay? Wow, yes. This is complete haning. Okay? Everyone calls it haning. Not haning, but exercise. And friends, we'll do the second exercise for our shoulders. Any weight you lift it with your shoulders only. Okay? So, if your shoulders are strong, if you lift any weight, you'll get infections, etc., injuries, etc. Okay, my friends? So let's start with the second exercise. Okay, right? What do you do first for your shoulders? Move from here to there, like this. Okay? Your body. First, warm up. Okay? Wow, yes. This is complete haning. Okay? Everyone calls it haning. Not haning, but exercise. And friends, we'll do the second exercise for our shoulders. Any weight you lift it with your shoulders only. Okay? So, if your shoulders are strong, if you lift any weight, you'll get infections, etc., injuries, etc. Okay, my friends? So let's start with the second exercise. Okay, right? What do you do first for your shoulders? Move from here to there, like this. Okay? Do at least 10-12 repetitions like this. That is, do 10-12 repetitions for 2, 3, 4 sets. Okay? What happens with this is your shoulder gets warmed up. After that, you are ready to do any exercise. Okay? Do it like this. Do at least 10 to 12 repetitions like this. That means do at least 10 to 12 repetitions. 2 to 3 sets. Okay, my friends. Now, let's do the third exercise. It is only for the shoulders. Okay? We will do the third exercise with our body. Enjoy it. How? Like this, comfort. Like this, comfortably, my friends. Don't do it at a high speed. Okay? Do it slowly. Don't do it at a high speed and you will injure your body. Okay? So, don't do this. Do it slowly because warm up your body before doing any exercise. Don't have to do it like this. Okay? That's it. Move with your hands. Do it completely like this. Hey, come on. Don't look at the camera. You're making a mess. Someone is passing by. He'll tell you on the way. Okay, my friends? That's your 16. Okay? And then what will you do? Now, my friends, the second exercise for the shoulder. Turn your hand like this. Okay? Wait. We're going backwards. See? Do it like this. Okay? Then, this will put more load on your bicep. So this is done for your shoulders. Okay? Now, what will you do, my friend? Now we'll do the fifth exercise for our stomach. Because it's very important to warm up your stomach too. Okay? So we'll do our fifth exercise for our stomach. Okay? Then wait, let me remove this. How to do it? First, keep your hands at the level of your shoulders. Okay? You have kept your hands like this. Now what to do? Keep them with a little glue. Sleep like this. Like this, okay. Now what to do? Come in the same form like this, then like this, then like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. What you should do is reach there like this. Then this is very easy, right? Then go from 6 to 8 or 10, so you should do at least 2 sets of the direction, right? Okay? This one is very important. It's very important for the shoulder and your back. Okay. Do it like this for at least 3 or 4 times. This is also for 10-5 repetitions. Okay? What will you do after that? That's your shoulder exercise, right? Now, what will you do next, my friends? Now, the fourth exercise is for the shoulder. Okay? Do your hands like this. Okay? Because it's very important to warm up your body before doing any exercise. Okay? That's why it's okay for me first. Pain, infection, etc. Okay? So friends, we'll meet in the next video with the next topic. Until then, stay tuned to fitness. Okay? And comment on what topic you want the next video to be about. Okay? So, see you in the next video. Until then, bye friends.